Here's how to disable comments on Instagram story. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can disable comments on Instagram story. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just open up your Instagram. And here, as you can see, I'm on Instagram right now. What you need to do right over here is just basically go to your profile. And once you're inside your profile, on the top corner, you'll be able to see three horizontal lines. You just gotta click on them. Once you press on them, you'll see many options right over here, but you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of comments. You just gotta press on it, and then you'll see many options, but you just gotta press on stories. And here you'll see the option of off. Well, you can choose if you want it to select to people you follow or if it's on everyone, but you can just basically turn this to off, and here you go. You'll basically disable comments on your Instagram story. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can disable comments on Instagram stories. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.